make them bounce.
I know you're an 8,000 plus acre wildland fire that started 5+ miles east of this location, and it's made a hard push, wind driven, into the city of Santa Rosa. And as you can see, it's impacting hospitals and quite a few areas north of Santa Rosa, including the Kaiser Hospital, some mobile home parks, and it has actually jumped Highway 101 as well. So what we're in right now is we're in a kind of life and preservation mode to get people out of the area. This is our #1 priority. All of the fire equipment you see out there are trying to get people evacuated and to a safe place. And anyone who's out there who is contemplating not evacuating, we just plead with them to please leave. If they feel like they're in danger, to leave their homes. If law enforcement tells them to get out, to please leave immediately. This fire is moving extremely quickly. It's very dynamic, and really we're calling for resources from all over Northern California to try to get a handle on it. Yeah, this could be considered, once in a lifetime fire that occurs. And to go over Highway 101 from Tubbs Road in Napa County in less than 3 hours is fairly incredible rate of spread. And it's a wind-driven fire. Our priority right now is to get people out of harm's way. That's our #1 priority. And until the wind dies down, until we get some containment on this, we're going to leave the firefighters getting people out of harm's way. Just the sheer size and scope of this incident.
I thought you were somebody else.
That's right.
Okay, and so are we going to go back on air, or are we keeping it? Okay, what do you want me to do? I've got water.